I'm Anna, let's get real. Okay, so I had acne scarring on my cheeks and I had to wear makeup, like foundation and concealer, most days if I wanted to go out, but then I started to research ways I can actually just correct that. It's a lot easier than what I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, like I thought it was just gonna be a lot more, I don't know, of a hassle or more intense or more difficult in some ways than I imagined. Like I built up that it was going to be more work, but it's actually quite easy. Yeah, just do it.
Expand a little bit more on why.
The results are really worth it. Yeah.